Hello friends, today we will learn about opposite. We will learn new opposites words. Hot, opposite of hot, cold. Hot, cold. Happy, opposite of happy, sad. Happy, sad. Another word, open. This is open window. Opposite of open, close. This is a closed window. Open and close. Up. Opposite of up, down. Up and down. Day and opposite of day, night. Day and night. Big elephant. Opposite of big, small mouse. Big, small. A dog is sitting inside, in, and opposite of in, out. In and out. More, opposite of more is less. More and less. So these are some opposite words which I have tried to make with handmade sheet as in handmade chart paper. So we will revise these opposite words again. Cold, hot, happy, sad, close, open, up, down, day, night, big, small, in, out, dry, wet, more and less. Thank you for watching this video.